Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we'll repeat the same chapter, Green Force, that was done in last lecture. On that day there was voice issue. That's why I'm repeating it today again.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Welcome, assalam. Please mute your mic. Why are you unmuting? Okay, this is from Oxford Progressive English. It's Unit 2C. And the topic is a website advertisement. It's page number 31. It's about Green Force. So first of all, you need to know what is Green Force. Green Force is a way to protect animals, plants. It also provides safe and healthy environment for them, and it also preserves endangered animals. Okay. So what is Green Force? It is a way to protect animals. And what do Green Force members do? They observe the culture. The members of Green Force, they observe the culture, they observe the environment of a country, and if something is lacking there, they try to create a suitable atmosphere there, and then they try to provide a conservative space for them. So basically, they work for the protection of animals, plants, and their species, whether these are wild animals or aquatic animals, marine animals. Okay. Marine mean or aquatic means sea animals. Okay. So it was about Green Force and Green Force members. Please don't unmute your mic. Okay. So we can say that Green Force is a way to create or develop a safe and healthy environment. And what do the members of Green Force do? They try to balance natural system and they protect Earth's natural resources. So I'm going to read paragraph 1. Those who have joined now, I'm going to tell them that we are doing chapter number unit 2C and topic Green Force. We are doing it again. We did it in last lecture, but there was voice issue. That's why we are doing it again. Okay. As you can see on the screen, it is from Oxford Progressive English. Unit 2 topic is Green Force, and page is 31. Okay, I'm going to read paragraph 1. Coral reefs. Okay, like red or white substance, and it may be red or white. It is found underwater. Okay, so corals is a substance that is found underwater, and it looks like stone. As you can see in this picture, the different colors of corals, and these are underwater. And these are looking like stones. Reef looks like a rock. So it's from paragraph 1. Coral reefs are widely known as the rainforest of sea because they are home to such a massive diversity of species, but not appreciate the crucial main important role coral reef on various levels in sustaining human life, maintain human life along coral coastline, and as fertile ground for medicinal discoveries yet to be made. The fact is that without the coral reef to protect fragile coastlines, many are beneath the ocean waves. Add to this the role they play as a nursery ground for young fish communities, and you begin to realize that reefs are more just a pretty underwater gardens. Okay, so I was telling you about coral reefs. I have already told you about corals. What are corals? These are stone-like substance, and reefs looks like rocks.
Teacher,
Coral reefs are the home of variety of species. These species can be sea plants or sea animals, but most of the people do not know about important role of coral reefs. Okay, but not all people appreciate the crucial role that coral reefs play. It means most of the people do not know about the importance of coral reefs on various levels in sustaining human life along coral coastlines. Coral reefs are source of food and medicine. These are source of food for sea animals, and these are also used in medicine. The structure of coral reefs, it forms a barrier to protect the shoreline from waves and storms when corals grow. Corals look like trees. So you can see these are the source of food. As you can see in the picture, there are small fishes and these are corals. So these corals are source. These corals look like small trees. Let me show you more picture. Here they are looking like small trees in these pictures. These are corals in these pictures. These are corals and they are looking like small trees. This one and this one. In these pictures, corals are looking like small trees. Okay, ask question. What's your name? Write your actual name. Yes, please ask questions.
टीचर मेरा नाम आप पूछ रही हैं?
Repeat again. Repeat. What are you saying?
टीचर मैं आपको कह रही थी कि आपकी आवाज कट रही है, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
It can be probably internet issue. That's why it's happening.
ओके टीचर आप मेरा फुल नेम पूछ रही हैं?
What?
टीचर आप मेरा फुल नेम पूछ रही हैं?
No, I'm just telling you. I'm just explaining it, students. Just listen to me. And if you want to ask something, you can. Coral reefs.
Okay.
Coral reefs look like trees, as you can see in these pictures. Like tree. They are in layers. They are in layers, and they feed fish and other marine animals, other sea animals. Okay. As you can see in this picture, these coral reefs are source of food for these fishes. You can see these are fish and these are coral reefs.
Yes.
These are also considered underwater garden for sea animals. Okay, and the sea animals are here. Coral reefs are source of food for young fish. They protect sea grass beds, and they sometimes act as nursery bed or nurseries for marine animals, sea animals, and the divers who dive in the sea. It is instructed to divers that if they are diving in the sea, they will not touch these reefs because these reefs are very soft and very delicate. That when divers will touch these, so these reefs will be damaged. That's why divers are instructed that you should not touch these reefs during diving because these reefs are very fragile, very delicate, and they can damage by touching. Okay.
Yes.
But these reefs can be in the form of reefs. So those divers enjoy there. Okay, second paragraph. I'm going to read now second paragraph. Unfortunately, these benevolent features are not sufficient to save the reefs. The writer is saying that uh, it is unlucky. It is proving unlucky that we cannot save these reefs and their resident fish communities from the threat of destruction. The writer is saying that it is difficult for us that we cannot save these reefs and because there are human activities which are going on like overfishing when and when there is water pollution and when human beings throw trash in the sea. Trash means garbage or waste material. So it can cause it can damage these reefs. Flood can also damage these reefs. Trash can damage these reefs and water pollution. Because of water pollution, these reefs can also be damaged. And the fourth one is when divers touch these reefs, then these reefs can be damaged. Okay. So in second paragraph, it is told that because there are threats to these reefs, and these threats are because of overfishing, blasting, pollution, and other human impacts. Which are other human impacts? I have told you that when people throw trash there, okay, and including climate change. So there is also a threat is called. And world's reefs are irreparably damaged. That 27% of world's reefs are now being missing severe difficulties. And in third paragraph, he's saying, but all is not lost, but these reefs are still there. These reefs are not have not disappeared. These reefs are still there. These are not disappeared. On the positive side, reefs respond well to conservation measures aimed at rebuilding, and fish communities can regenerate effectively when sustainable fisheries policies are employed. If the writer is saying that if we protect these reefs, so these reefs can rebuild. If the reef is damaged, and if we try to protect it again, then these can be rebuilt. These reefs can be rebuilt. He further says that these reefs can be useful for sea creatures, especially fish communities. And when sustainable fisheries policies are employed, this is where Green Force project can make a real difference. The members of Green Force project, they, in this regard, they can play a great role because they observe the environment, and they can make different projects. The writer says that possible with the help of Green Force project. The members of Green Force project, they identify area
Teacher,
which needs to be protected. Then it's possible to see.
teacher,
Yes, please ask.
टीचर मेरा नाम ना फातिमा है, तो ये जो मैंने ये लगाई है ना टीचर KDP, तो ये मेरा
Okay,
नाम है.
please, Fatma, please change your name. Please change your name. Change your name to Fatima. Okay, our teams also play a valuable role in educating coastal communities. Our teams mean these are Green Force teams actually, the members of Green Force team. They play a great role, and they educate coastal communities, the people who are living near coastal areas. They are educating them that that they should also be protected reefs, and they are also investigating methods that these sea animals or these reefs must be protected. They are also searching these kind of the methods. They are also searching for these methods that how these reefs can be saved, and how the sea animals or plants or other species of water can be, other species of sea animals or plants can be saved. So basically, the Green Force is a way to protect animals and plants. And there are members of Green Force who play a great role to protect animals and plants. They observe the culture of that place. They observe the environment of a country. These members of Green Force observe the culture, observe the environment of country. If something is lacking there, they try to create or provide a protective space for these reefs. Okay, sometimes the members of Green Force, they try to balance natural system so that reefs and other sea animals, other sea plants can be saved. All the species of sea plants or animals can be saved. So for this regard, for this purpose, they try to balance natural system and they protect Earth's natural resources. Okay. So coral reefs uh, are being threatened by these things, that is overfishing, water pollution, trash, and flood. So these are the things which can damage coral reefs. Trash can damage coral reef. Trash is waste material. Flood can damage coral reef. Water pollution can damage coral reef. So the writer is saying that these are the things which can damage coral reefs. And when he says that other human activities, so it means overfishing or trash, throwing trash in the sea that cause water pollution. So these are human activities. Flood is not a human activity. Okay. Only throwing trash, water pollution, and overfishing. These are human activities which can damage coral reefs. And then writer tells that coral reefs are used in medicine and these are source of food for fish. As you can see in the picture, there are fishes and there are coral reefs on one side and these are source of food for these fishes. These fishes also can take shelter here in these coral reefs. And coral reefs look like trees. In this picture, you can see coral reefs are looking like trees. This is actually the substance that gathers at the bottom. Okay, students, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. Any question regarding this chapter? If you want to ask any question regarding this chapter, you can ask. Yes, Dua, no question. Aital, Javeria, Marij. Have you got it well? Manahid, Yashad.
Teacher, कोई homework है?
Yes, Marij.
Teacher, homework है कोई? टीचर आपने इस यूनिट की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवा दी?
Who is asking this? Marij, is it you? Yes, Marij.
टीचर आपने इस
What
यूनिट
did
की
you ask?
क्वेश्चन इस यूनिट
No,
की
I will
क्वेश्चन
send question answers. I will send question answers. Okay, first of all, let me know what is green force. I have told you now about green force. So please let me know what is green force.
टीचर
Please don't unmute your mic. Students, except Marriage. Don't unmute your mic, students. I will listen to you one by one.
green force
Yes, Marriage. Yes, tell me. Green force. What is green force? It is a way to protect.
like stones on
No. Green force do not look like stones. Coral reefs look like stones. Okay. Coral reefs look like stones. These are reefs in the pictures. If let me show you. These are reefs. And these are source of food for these fishes, which you can see in orange color. These are fishes. These reefs are source of food. These reefs are also used in medicines. And these reefs look like trees. Okay, as you can see. And here somewhere these reefs look like stones and somewhere these reefs look like tree. But play is a process to protect animals, to save animals, to save animals and plants, to save sea animals and plants. And to provide, it is also a way to provide safe and healthy environment for these sea animals and plants. Okay, so green force is a way, and these coral reefs, these look like stones, these are source of food, these are source of medicine. Okay, have you got Marich? Hope you have got it. Yes, Aital, do you want to ask something about the chapter? If you want to ask something about the chapter, you can ask me. Dua, I will send homework, okay? Yes, any question regarding this chapter? Students, please raise your hand if you have any question regarding this chapter. Yes, Dua. Dua, do you have any question? Manahid, Yashad. Yashad, please ask questions. Hurry up. Unmute your mic, Yashad. Ask question.
Teacher? Teacher?
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, students. I will send you question answers and words meanings of this chapter. And then you will be doing it in your English notebook. Okay. Thank you, class. Allah Hafiz.